Welcome to Exploring the Hidden Gem, Wilpena Pound, a journey into the heart of the Flinders Ranges in South Australia, where nature crafts its own masterpiece. Nestled within the ancient landscapes, Wilpena Pound forms a natural amphitheatre of mountains, a stunning arena of geological wonder that has stood the test of time. This colossal formation, often likened to a meteor crater, is actually the result of natural erosion and uplifting over millions of years. The traditional owners of this land, the Adnyamathanha people, know it as Ikara, meaning meeting place, and it has held significance in their culture for countless generations. The name Wilpena itself, which might sound as if it sprang from the earth it names, actually has roots in the Adnyamathanha words Wilpa, meaning bent, and Pena, meaning feathers. Our exploration begins at the only entrance to the pound, a gap just 2 kilometers wide, opening up into an area roughly 17 kilometers by 8 kilometers. Inside, it's as if you've stepped into another world, with towering cliffs and peaks that rise some 500 meters from the pound's floor, guarding the secrets of this natural fortress. As we venture deeper, the air changes, filled with the whispers of ancient rocks and resilient flora. This hidden gem is not just a geological treasure, but also a sanctuary for a diverse range of flora and fauna, each species adapting to the unique environment of the pound. The majestic river red gums and the delicate wildflowers contrast sharply with the rugged, arid landscape, creating a mesmerizing mosaic of life in what might seem like an inhospitable location. For those who tread its paths, Wilpena Pound offers more than just scenic beauty. It is a place of solitude and reflection, where the vastness makes you keenly aware of your own place in the universe. It challenges the adventurous at heart with its walking trails and rewards them with panoramic vistas that are simply breathtaking. Thank you for joining us as we delve into the heart of one of Australia's most remarkable natural wonders. Stay tuned as we continue to unveil the mystery of Wilpena Pound. Have you ever stood in a place so enchanting that it felt like stepping into a painting? Welcome to Wilpena Pound. Nestled in the heart of the Flinders Ranges in South Australia, this natural amphitheatre of mountains forms a colossal basin, creating a remarkable landscape that captivates the imagination. Known to the local Adnyamathanha people as Ikara, meaning meeting place, Wilpena Pound holds a deep cultural significance, blending ancient history with breathtaking natural beauty. Join us as we delve into the captivating landscapes and secrets of Wilpena Pound. Imagine a colossal crater, but instead of being formed by a meteor, it's shaped by natural forces over millions of years. Welcome to Wilpena Pound, a stunning example of what time and nature can sculpt without the drama of celestial impacts. Nestled in the heart of Australia's Flinders Ranges, Wilpena Pound is an amphitheatre of ancient rock, stretching over 11 miles in length and 5 miles in width. From above, its form resembles a vast elliptical bowl cradled by rugged escarpments that rise sharply from the surrounding plains. The formation of Wilpena Pound is a tale of endurance and transformation. Geologists believe that this natural amphitheatre began forming over 800 million years ago with the deposition of sediments into a basin. Over time, these sediments hardened into layered rock. Then, the relentless forces of erosion sculpted these rock layers, carving out the pound's current shape. One of the most intriguing aspects of Wilpena Pound's geology is its symmetry and how it has remained so well preserved through eons. The theories about its origin are as layered as the rocks that form its walls. Some scientists propose that the structure was once a dome pushed upwards by the underlying forces of the Earth's crust, only to have the interior eroded away, leaving the ring of mountains we see today. The escarpments surrounding Wilpena Pound tell a story of their own. They are predominantly composed of quartzite, a rock known for its hardness and resistance to weathering, which explains the steep, rugged outlines that enchant and challenge hikers and geologists alike. The natural erosion processes that shaped Wilpena Pound are still at work today, slowly altering its landscape. Rainwater collects and channels through the rock, gradually wearing it away, and winds carry seeds that sprout in the crevices, their roots prying apart stones in a slow battle of life against rock. This geological wonder isn't just a feast for the eyes, but also a puzzle for the mind. As it stands, Wilpena Pound is not only a monument to the past, but a dynamic landscape that continues to evolve, offering endless mysteries for us to uncover. Now, tread softly as every step brings us closer to the unique plant life thriving in this ancient landscape. In the heart of Wilpena Pound, the Flora paints a vivid tableau of life adapted to extremes. Here, the air is perfumed with the scent of eucalyptus trees, their towering forms a testament to the resilience required to thrive in this arid environment. The eucalyptus, with its bluish-green leaves, not only adds a splash of color, but also plays a crucial role in the local ecosystem, providing shelter and nourishment to myriad species. As we venture further, the landscape subtly shifts. Lower elevations are dominated by native pines, their needle-like leaves whispering tales of yore with every brush of the wind. These pines, stoic and enduring, are among the few species that can withstand the dry conditions and poor soils that characterize much of this region. Climbing higher, the air cools slightly and moisture becomes more plentiful. This shift in climate allows for a different tapestry of life to flourish. Here one can find clusters of rare orchids, their delicate forms belying their tenacious grip on life. These orchids are not just a feast for the eyes, they are barometers of ecological health, thriving only in undisturbed habitats. The flora of Wilpena Pound is not merely a collection of plants, it's a layered story of adaptation and survival. Each species has carved a niche for itself, contributing in its own way to the robustness of the ecosystem. From the fire-resistant bark of the eucalyptus to the water-conserving leaves of the native pines, each adaptation is a verse in the poem of evolution. Moreover, the variation in vegetation with changes in elevation is a stark reminder of nature's meticulous craftsmanship. It's as if each altitude sings a different tune, with the flora dancing to its rhythm, creating a symphony of biodiversity. Each plant here tells a story of resilience and adaptation. From the rustling leaves, a shadow moves. The pound is alive with more than just plants. In the heart of the Flinders Ranges, Wilpena Pound offers not only breathtaking landscapes, but also a sanctuary for a variety of Australian wildlife. As we venture through this natural amphitheatre, the soft thuds of kangaroos bounding across the terrain become a common soundtrack. These marsupials are perfectly adapted to the arid environment, their powerful hind legs allowing them to cover ground efficiently, while their keen sense of hearing keeps them alert to any potential threats. Not far from the hopping kangaroos, the ground trembles slightly under the weight of emus, Australia's largest native bird. These impressive creatures, with their long necks and even longer legs, stride through the underbrush. Emus are curious and resilient, often seen pecking around for seeds and insects to feast upon. Their presence is vital as they play a significant role in seed dispersal, aiding in the proliferation of various plant species throughout the area. Amidst the more easily spotted wildlife, the elusive echidna often captures the imagination of those lucky enough to spot one. With their spiny backs and snuffling noses, echidnas are one of the few egg-laying mammals in the world. As they shuffle through the undergrowth, they contribute significantly to the ecosystem by aerating the soil and controlling insect populations. This delicate balance of life here is a fine-tuned symphony. Each species, from the nimble kangaroo to the ponderous emu and the secretive echidna, plays a vital part in maintaining the ecological equilibrium of Wilpena Pound. Their interactions with the environment help to ensure its health and continuity. It's a dynamic system where each creature contributes to the survival of many others, forming a complex web of life that thrives under the Australian sun. The animal residents of Wilpena Pound play crucial roles in this ecological theatre. Beyond nature's creations, human history whispers through the valleys of Wilpena Pound. As we delve deeper, the echoes of the Adnyamathanha people resonate, painting a vivid picture of an enduring connection to this land. Wilpena Pound, or Ikara as it is traditionally known, means meeting place in the native language, a central aspect of its cultural tapestry. For thousands of years, the Adnyamathanha have woven their history into the rugged expanse of this terrain. It served not only as a place for gathering, but also as a spiritual sanctuary. The natural amphitheatre of the Pound provided a secluded space for significant ceremonies and storytelling under the vast starlit sky. Archaeological findings here tell tales of ancient times. Stone tools, remnants of campsites, and rock art are testament to a sophisticated culture that thrived in harmony with the harsh Australian environment. Each artifact holds a story, a lesson from the past, intricately linked to the present lives of the indigenous people. The oral histories passed down through generations are just as telling. Stories of the Yura Muda, the lore and law of the land, offer insights into the deep spiritual and ecological knowledge that the Adnyamathanha people possess. These narratives not only explain natural phenomena but also guide the community in sustainable living, respecting and preserving the land that sustains them. The layers of human history add a profound depth to the natural beauty of Wilpena Pound. As we marvel at this natural sanctuary, we must also consider our role in its story. Wilpena Pound, a breathtaking cradle of ancient lands, faces pressing challenges that demand our attention and action. Conservation efforts here are not just optional, they are imperative for the survival of this unique ecosystem. The impact of climate change looms large, altering rainfall patterns and threatening the delicate balance of both flora and fauna. Rising temperatures and shifting climatic conditions are challenges that conservationists are battling every day. In response, initiatives to monitor and adapt to these changes are more crucial than ever. Tourism, while beneficial for local economies, poses another significant challenge. The footsteps of countless visitors, though light, can leave lasting impacts. It's here that the principle of responsible travel becomes vital. Travelers are encouraged to minimize their environmental footprint, respecting the paths they tread and the wildlife they encounter. Local and international groups are collaborating to ensure that Wilpena Pound can be enjoyed by future generations. Projects include habitat restoration, wildlife protection programs, and community education efforts aimed at raising awareness about the importance of sustainability. These initiatives are not just preserving the beauty of Wilpena Pound, they are ensuring its resilience. As stewards of this land, it is our collective responsibility to support these efforts. Whether through direct involvement or by choosing to travel responsibly, every action contributes to the preservation of this magnificent landscape. Protecting this wonder is a testament to our respect for nature and history. As our journey through Wilpena Pound comes to a close, we carry with us the echoes of an ancient landscape. Through the rugged terrain and sweeping vistas, we've seen how this natural amphitheatre showcases Earth's dramatic history. We've wandered among resilient flora and observed the diverse fauna that calls this place home. We've also touched on the cultural tapestry woven by the Adnyamathanha people, reminding us of the human stories embedded in this land. Wilpena Pound remains a vivid reminder of Earth's enduring beauty and mystery. Thank you for exploring this magnificent wonder with us.